Hello everyone. My name is Lynn Kathleen. I am a director at Spark Policy Institute and the lead staff to the Colorado Farm to School Task Force. Thank you for joining me in a virtual tour of the online Farm to School Evaluation Toolkit. The Farm to School Toolkit was designed to help people involved in farm to school programs of all sizes undertake systematic data collection and analysis to better understand and convey the impact of their programming. People who will find it useful include those who are involved in farm to school activities, be that a school garden leader, a food service director, a science teacher, or a parent. You do not need to be an evaluator to use this toolkit. Many farm to school programs are supported by community partners, and this might be, for example, your local food policy council or a community garden association. The toolkit can help them undertake an evaluation of the local farm to school program as one of the many support services they provide. And then even seasoned evaluators who have not undertaken farm to school programs will find useful guidance on the types of outcomes that can be expected. And for those who have done farm to school evaluations, the toolkit has a wealth of data collection tools that can help support their work. The Farm to School Toolkit has step-by-step guidance to conduct an evaluation of any type of a farm to school activity. It starts with pre-evaluation preparation that is critical to the successful implementation of an evaluation. Each step contains a combination of educational content about evaluation generally, resources to support skill development, and content specific to conducting a farm to school evaluation. There is a downloadable evaluation plan template, 7 attachments of which each is focused on target populations of farm to school activities and existing data collection tools. And the mini-bite interactive online trainings support each of the steps using a short webinar format followed by an interactive check-in on key concepts. The Farm to School Toolkit is a complete set of guidance, tools, and resources needed to evaluate any type of farm to school activity. The toolkit is structured as a step-by-step guide for each part of the process, and the site is very easy to navigate. Each step of the process is shown on the left-hand menu. Here is one of the downloaded toolkit components. This is the evaluation plan template, which corresponds to each step in the toolkit and serves to document the important decisions you will make from preparing to do your evaluation through implementation. Let's take a look at one of the steps. We'll start with step 1. Every step provides a short description of what the step is addressing. Pull-down menus are the activities or work within each step. For example, in preparing for evaluation includes deciding which farm to school activity to evaluate, because you can't evaluate everything, the purpose of your evaluation, considerations around the timing for evaluations, identification of existing resources, guidance on who should be recruited to your evaluation planning team, explanation of human subjects protection, and resources to do it if required. Finally, every step includes the mini-bite online trainings. We provide easy-to-understand guidance on key evaluation issues for those who have never undertaken an evaluation or who would like a refresher. Here, we discuss how it is important to only measure those things you can link to your program activities. We introduce the concept of sphere of control and sphere of influence. These concepts are used throughout the discussion of outcomes, indicators, and measures, and serve as an easy and effective heuristic to keep you focused on what matters in your evaluation. We also provide education on the strengths and weaknesses of various approaches and tools. The toolkit contains 7 attachments, 1 for each target audience that is affected by farm to school programs. These are students, parents, teachers, school food services, producers, and community. Each attachment is a downloadable tool in the toolbox and identified by the hammer icon. In this example, we are looking at attachment 3, Outcomes for Teachers. Each attachment links farm to school activities to outcomes to the appropriate data collection tools. Here we're looking at a portion of the attachment. Each attachment describes a farm to school activity shown under the column, this may be a fit for your program if, and in this case the farm to school activity is, your program includes significant changes to the curriculum to include farm to school components. To the left is the evaluation outcome that is linked to this activity. So for this activity, the outcome is positive attitudes about integrating farm to school related information in curriculum. In this example, we're looking at attachment 3, which is outcomes for teachers. On each attachment, existing data collection tools are hyperlinked in the rows that describe the activities and outcomes. We teach you how to use these tools, adapt them for your own program, and how to test them to ensure they are valid for your population. For some people, evaluation is a new skill to develop. In that case, you would start at the top of the menu and work your way through each step of the toolkit. For others who have experience with evaluation, you will find Step 2 and 3 are a good place to explore. Step 2 will help you connect your farm-to-school program activities to evaluation outcomes, and Step 3 will connect those outcomes to existing data collection tools. Seasoned evaluators will find much to use too, including data collection tools in Step 3 and resources for creating engaging reports in Steps 5 and 6. Thank you for joining me today in the virtual tool of the Farm to School Evaluation website. This mini-bite training concludes the first segment. The next mini-bite training kicks off segment 2. Join me in the first mini-bite training of segment 2, which is called Preparing for Your Farm to School Evaluation, to learn how to identify which farm to school activity to evaluate and begin filling out your evaluation plan. Thanks, everyone.